Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a DIY French coils using attachment. So stay tuned, let's get right to the video. Now I'm going to be using expression pack attachment for this tutorial. I'm using a wine color. I'm going to be doing cutting too, and you can do any cutting of your choice for this tutorial. Now after doing the cutting, I'm going to roll it out and do a fish stretch. I'm going to slightly do a fish stretch for this. Now after that, I'm going to brush it out and apply hair cream before further process. In this tutorial, I'm going to be doing different methods to achieve a DIY French coil. The first method, after applying the hair cream on the hair, I'm going to brush the hair first, make it to be very smooth. Then after that, I'm going to take small portion of the hair. I'm going to be taking these bit by bit. So take a small portion of the hair and stretch. This is the first method. I'm going to stretch it so that it looks very silky. Now while doing the stretching, you are going to make the stretcher not to be too hot, because when it's too hot the hair is going to get burnt or going to get a kind of rough. So put the stretcher in a medium heat or in a low heat, then slightly stretch it till it becomes very silky. Why I decided to be taking the hair bit by bit is to enable it stretch properly, because if you decide to take big portion of big quantity, you might find out that it will not stretch properly or it will take a longer time. So in as much as I'm taking this small portion, it makes it faster and it makes it to be more silky. Now this is how it looks like. With this, you can compare it with the one I've not done. I've not actually done the other one and I've done this one. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to set this one aside and do the second method. For the second method, I'm going to stretch the hair again. Take a small portion of hair and stretch it till it becomes silky. In the first method, I actually stretched it and kept it aside, and I'm going to show you what you will do with it. Now the second method is to stretch it. When it becomes silky enough, get a rod or anything similar to this that I'm using. Take the portion of the hair that you have stretched and start rolling it like I'm doing. After you have rolled the hair, then take any stuff you think you will need and secure the hair. What I actually did with this is to roll the hair when it was still hot. Now I'm going to unravel it because it's now cold and see how it looks like. With this, I didn't use any hot water on it, and this is how it looks like. The coils actually came out. I did this experiment to know how it looks like without hot water. For the third method, I'm still going to roll the hair that I've stretched on a rod. Now I skipped the stretching part because we are familiar with it. So roll the hair like I'm doing now. Once you're done rolling the hair, secure the hair. This is how it looks like. I'm going to pour hot water to this one. After pouring the hot water, I'm going to keep this one aside and allow it to dry. to dry and see the outcome of it, see the results, then compare it with the other ones before using it. So guys, this is the outcome of the second hair that we roll. I actually kept this for 2 days to see how it looks like, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to use it to braid and see the outcome of it, whether the coils will be there or not. I'm really trying to experiment the three methods to see the coils that is better for these French coils. So keep watching and see how the second method, whether the coils is going to come out or not. So guys, obviously the coils wasn't there. This is how it looks like. There's no coil in this method. So look at the third method. The hair that we coiled with hot water is now very dry. I'm going to unravel this one and see how it looks like. Then after that, I'm going to use it and braid and know whether the coils is going to pop out or not. Yeah, this is the outcome of this hair, the one with hot water. This is how it looks like, guys. And now this is how it looks like when I've detangled it. I just detangled it, and this is how it looks like. So the next thing is to use it and braid. See how it looks like. When braiding this one, what you're going to be doing is to slightly detangle so it doesn't tangle as you braid the tangle. This is how it looks like. This is how this method, the coils looks like. I'm going to tie it and keep. Just take a small portion, secure the ends and keep. For the first hair that I stretched, I'm going to use it just like that and braid the hair. I actually kept this one for the last because there's a lot of stuff going on in this method. So I want to keep it for the last when I've experiment the other ones. Now I'm going to just braid the hair first. So keep watching while we do this and see the outcome of this method. I'm done, guys, and this how it looks like. The straight one, the first method, the second method, the third method, all of them are here. This is the second method. The only thing about this is that the one I roll without hot water, there is no coils in that one. The coils didn't really show, it didn't come out. But the one I roll with hot water, the one I roll on the rod with hot water, the coils came out. Now for the first method, the first hair that I stretched, I'm going to take this hair, the straight hair, as you can see, take it and roll it on a rod. You can do this with anything similar to what I'm using. So I'm going to take this hair, the straight one that is left out, then roll it. There is different way you can roll this. The way you roll it depends how the coil is going to come out. So if you want yours to come out like my own, you can actually roll it like I'm doing now. After that, you are going to be pouring hot water on it, which I've done, and allow it to get cold. Once it gets cold, we are going to unravel it. I'm going to allow mine to get a little bit cold and unravel it and see the result. So guys, this is how the coils is looking like when I've not detangled the coils. and this how it looks like when I've detangled it. This how the coils is looking like. So you can decide whether to leave it the first way, which is without detangling it, or detangling the coils. I actually made my coils very long, and you can decide whether to make your coils look long like this. This how it looks like. I think getting a French coil that is very long depends on how you make your hair. So I made mine to be long on a purpose. You can decide whether to braid the hair to get to the down part in order to achieve a smaller coil. Mine came out like this. With this you can make a DIY French coils on a budget. I don't know what you think. Tell me what you think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family. See you in my next video. Bye.